Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and this is part 4, which I was not going to do, but somebody asked a question, and then somebody made a comment, which is very true, and I knew it, but I just, sometimes I do things differently. The question was why I filled this in with a Smart Fill tool, and then nudged it out of the way. It was because I wanted to get the shape of the circle. So when I move this up 0.1, I now have the curvature of the circle. So it's going to look a little better. The suggestion, and I'm in the center of the page, Control D and make a duplicate, and then move your rotation to the center. And as always, it doesn't look like it in the center, but it is. And I went 360 minus 15 to get that measurement. And the suggestion was, and he's very true, all you have to do is type in negative 15 in the rotation, and you get the same result, which is 345. So I thank him for the suggestion, and I hope that answered your question. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.